Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my PowerShell escapades. My name is Omar G, and today we'll be discussing declaring a variable. The Hello World project is what I would like to call this. Typically when you're learning a programming language, chapter 1 discusses how to declare a variable and make it equal to Hello World. So that's where I think we should start off with our whole PowerShell journey. So let's go ahead and get started on that. In this example, I'm using the PowerShell ISE application. In order to open this application, just go to your Start tab and your search functions. You can go ahead and type in the word PowerShell, and you will see something by the name of PowerShell ISE. This is a great little program to start writing your scripts up and just starting to automate your environment if that is your task or whatever reason you are using PowerShell or learning about PowerShell. In this example here today, we're going to go ahead and declare a variable. In order to do that, we'll have to create our variable. And in PowerShell, the $ is the typical way of how to make your variable. So in this case, I've created a variable, and it's called $n. I want to set, the reason I chose n is because I'm going to actually set it equal to a number to initially start off. So if you really see what's going on now, in line 1, we have $n equals 5. And that's what we're telling the computer the $n is equal to. And then we're asking the computer to repeat that value back to us, which is line number 3. I'm going to execute this script. Yes, 3 lines is a script. Actually, 1 line can even be a script. But I'm going to execute this script by going to this play button at the top of the screen here, or by typing the F5 key on my keyboard. As you can see down here, the value returned from n is 5. Cool little way to play with it and maybe build upon what we've just done is just go ahead and do n plus 2. Now we know n plus 2, well, in this situation it'll be 5 plus 2. It depends how you want to see it. That's how the computer's looking at it. Well, we should be able to do this in our head, but now we can also verify that the computer sees it as 7 as well, which I think is really cool. I'm going to clear the screen by typing CLS. That allows me to clear the screen so I can go on to the next part of the video here. Now we're going to use PowerShell to actually use this variable and insert a commandlet into it. I've already thought that the network adapter or the net adapter variable might be the best suited for this situation right now. So you can just see that it's really cool the way this variable is working now. We're actually taking a variable and assigning a commandlet into it. Imagine if we created our own commandlet and assigned it to a variable. We're talking this could be tons of line of code in one little variable, and that would be typically how you would use your variables going forward. And also for some string text, which we'll do when we create the hello world part of it. I'm going to go ahead and run this script now. And when the value of n is returned to the screen, we do see that it's giving me my network statistics, bytes received, and also bytes sent out by my computer. Also the name of the adapters on my computer. Now let's go ahead and change this one more time. Let's clear the screen. And this time we're going to cut right to the project, and we're going to make our Hello World project. In order to run this Hello World project, we're going to have to put a quote. So a quote lets the computer know, or lets the program know, that what comes next will be string characters and should also be seen as string characters. If you put a quote on one side, you have to put it on the other side, or it will not read the closed bracket. It'll consider everything a string until it sees another closed bracket. Now let's go ahead and run it. Hello world is our value, and to demonstrate it again inside of the command prompt, you can see hello world is returned whenever we type the $n variable. And that brings us to an end, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this content and found it informative. Please like my video if you did enjoy it, and also subscribe if you want to see future videos from me and our journey of tackling PowerShell. Have a great day. Bye, guys.